Hello YouTube. Today I have a brand new fire alarm from last year. It's my EST Integrity speaker strobe. Oh, it's heavy. That's the front of it. Here's the back side. Now, if you guys don't know what a speaker strobe is, this is a speaker, which I think that these two wires are for this, and these two wires are for the strobe, I think. I'm not sure, but I have to look it up. So, Merry Christmas! That's my television. So, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye, YouTube.